school.
It's late.
Yeah.
Yeah, just sit down. Do you know how to paddle? Okay.
So you just do this. Basically, you're just doing it.
Take this paddle, it's easier. But you go like,
When people
when you're out there, you go like this.
trampoline.
Yep, like this. Yep. That's what you do. You ready?
All the way to the trampoline, Sally. Try it. It's you. She's got it. I'm after Sally.
I don't think we're going to swim today. The lifeguard said
지원이 멀리 갔어. 저기 미아랑 지원이랑.
Hey boys, don't fight with the paddles, please. Not too close to the edge, though. Oh, yes.
I can't.
We're not
You're doing so well.
You can't take any boat over there. Do you like the kayak? Go backwards if you want to stop. Much easier than running into it. Yes. Chunk. Backwards. This way. One. Backwards. Two. There. Good boy. Good boy. Wow. He always runs. He's doing well. You can use your hands. Sure.
He's kind of going.
지원아 얼른 와. 트램폴린 타러 가게.
Oh my dear, look, they're going to help. Are they the rescue rangers? Those are the kind of rescue rangers I might like.
Excuse me.
Got you stuck, don't we, Stacey? Way. Woo!
Okay. Yes. He's got.
Okay.
You can boat on here.
Yes, you can boat. But we're going to put the boats back at the shore.
고맙다고 해야지.
We'll try to get